Do you like to watch films?
Yes, certainly I like films, and I usually watch films when I'm free. I usually watch films in my pastime because I'm a student, so I don't get enough time to watch. But on weekends, I usually watch foreign
Okay,
films.
that's very good.
Do you prefer foreign films or Pakistani films?
Well, to answer your question, as I've mentioned earlier, I like to watch foreign films because I want to explore their cultures and how they do things in their culture, different from ours. So I like foreign films. I watch them in cinema and sometimes on Netflix and such online platform.
Very good. Excellent. Let's go on.
How often do you go to a cinema to watch movies?
Well, I don't get enough time to watch movies in cinema because I'm a student, and but when I get time to spend with my family and friends, we usually go to cinema to
Okay,
watch
there are two
some
things.
movies.
एक fluency पे focus करें थोड़ा सा,
Yes.
and second is pronunciation.
Film.
Whenever you do IELTS listening, copy their accent, the way they speak.
Okay, sir.
And fluency means you speak without breaks, without pauses. Okay, what kind of movies do you like the most?
Well, I like movies that have some purposeful premise because I don't like brainless movies and just comedy movies because I think that when you watch a movie, you're spending a lot of time on something, so you had to sit for
You have to.
you have to sit for 2 to 3 hours, so you have to get something, some knowledge or some purposeful thing that you remember for the longest time.
All right, so what was the question? Okay, at the
Last.
end there should be one sentence
sentence
conclusion. Okay,
Okay.
and that is only possible if you keep the question in mind. That is why after every 2 to 3 sentences, refer to the question.
Okay, sir.
Okay, overall your answers are good. Keep it up. Good job.
Thanks.
Thank you.